In summer 2016, TNS BMRB engaged 35 members of the public and 24 small businesses in a qualitative research project to help shape the future regulatory model in the UK. Participants' reactions to the 5 principles informing the future regulatory model's design were explored. Firstly, while recognising the current system is far from perfect, the urgency of the change is not clear. Neither FBOs nor the public are feeling the pain in the current model. The 5 principles were broadly agreed with by both the public and FBOs, with the exception of 3 elements, which are less face-to-face regulation, the involvement of third parties, businesses meeting the cost. The public and FBOs accept businesses should be responsible, but neither trust businesses to always act in the consumer's interest because they are profit-driven. Both reject a system that relies just on self-regulation in the absence of inspections. Inspections were seen as critical safeguarding mechanisms that educate businesses and pick up issues that would otherwise go unreported. Views were mixed on who should regulate businesses. Some were concerned privatisation of regulation would result in lower standards. If businesses choose their regulator and pay for inspections, regulators may lower standards to compete for business. Similarly, small FBOs and the public queried businesses meeting the cost of regulations, as it would change the nature of the relationship between regulators and business. However, others were reassured by FSA involvement. So long as inspections took place, they were indifferent to who was doing the inspections. If businesses do need to pay, fees should be annual or at the point of registration and positioned as a service. Both groups were uncomfortable with fees being linked to inspections. The public and small businesses believed establishing a new segmentation, not just based on business size, would be challenging. If it were to be developed, participants thought type of food handled, profitability, and whether or not a food business sells directly to the public should be taken into account in addition to size. The public thought they could be better empowered to play a role in ensuring food safety through having greater awareness of existing feedback mechanisms. This could be achieved by telling people how to complain on receipts and on FHRS ratings. All these findings demonstrate changes to the future model will need to be carefully framed.